Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Appwrite without Firebase step by step. Appwrite is a complete backend platform that can handle authentication, databases, storage, functions, messaging, and more, making it a strong alternative if you want to build applications without relying on Firebase. So let's get started. First, create an Appwrite account and sign in to the Appwrite dashboard. Once you're logged in, click Create Project, give your project a name, and complete the initial setup. This project will become the backend for your application. Next, add your application platform, such as web, Android, iOS, or Flutter. Appwrite will provide your project ID and endpoint URL, which you'll use to connect your app through the Appwrite SDK. Now install the appropriate Appwrite SDK in your application and initialize it using your project's credentials. You can then configure authentication for user accounts, create databases to store your app's data, upload files using storage, and automate backend tasks with functions, all without using Firebase services. As you continue building your application, configure permissions carefully so users can access only the data they're authorized to see. You can also use Appwrite's APIs and SDKs to perform common backend operations such as creating users, managing documents, uploading files, and executing server-side functions. Finally, test your application thoroughly to confirm that authentication, database operations, file uploads, and other backend features work correctly before deploying your app. And that's it. You now know how to use Appwrite without Firebase and build a complete backend using Appwrite's powerful cloud services. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.